All right. Welcome to Ngwasheng Online Academy. This is like on the previous video where I did squaring both sides. I wanted to proceed with two more examples, but it just happened that the phone just switched off, and then I have to do a separate video following the part 2A. Now, with these two examples, they're also coming from the examination. Like, this is where we emphasize. Because if you're now providing four different problems under the same topic, you should become the expert at the end of this lesson. So now if you check this one, we consider it as a ready-made because we don't have to transpose anything to the other side. Same applies to this one. There's no need for us to transpose anything. So we can strictly start by squaring both sides. What does that mean? Let me just go straight to the point. This is me squaring both sides. The 2 get rid of the root, so I'm having a 5 minus x, and therefore this means I do this twice. This is what it means, this twice. Now we know we have to solve, simplify by using FOIL. So x times x is 2x, it's x squared. Then we've got x there, again we've got x, and then we've got a 1. As a grade 12 or 11 learner, by now you should be able to master this. If not, go and work on this yourself. On the comment section, you can just notify me if you need help or need clarity something that you don't understand. Yes, I'm welcome to answer any question. Now, from here, let's move everything from left to the right. So this is what we're gonna do, assuming that everything is already on the right hand side. So x was negative, this side is gonna be positive x. Now we've got this one, but 5 was positive here. Now it's gonna be a negative. Now in this case, let's do that. When we group the middle terms, we get 3x, but this side, oh, this was 5, sorry, it was 5. So obvious 1 minus 5, that's going to be a minus 4. Now, let's factorize this. You need to be good with factorization. I emphasize that because factorization goes a long way. It's everywhere. In most topics, we come across factorization. Now, factors of 4 that can give us 3. You cannot think of 2 times 2 because they'll never give us a 3, but only 4 times 1. If we add them together or subtract, we are getting a 3. But for me, since my middle term is positive 3, I must put positive there and negative there. That means the solution, my x will be negative 4, or another x will be 1. We are always motivated by the middle term to choose where do we put positive, where do we put negative. As we know that we make sure that the bigger number take the sign of the middle term. That's what we did here. Now, let's come to this one where we also have, there's nothing to be transposed, so we can only just square both sides immediately. So by so doing, the 2 get rid of the root, so we are having 2x plus 1 equals 2. This means that twice, which is x minus 1. We do this twice, so we simplify following FOIL. By now you know FOIL. If not, go to grade 11 playlist. There's plenty of activities based on factorization, especially trinomial. So we are going to have a minus x and a minus x and a positive 1. This is what we are having. So in this case, when we group the like terms, we're having a negative 2x plus 1. So let's now transpose everything from our left to our right. So I'm having x squared minus 2x minus 2x again. That is me taking this to the other side and having a 1. So let's transpose this one is going to be a negative 1. So let's write the result. When we add these two, they give us a minus 4x, but this one 1 minus 1 is 0. So we just end here. This is what we have. So now this is part of question 1.1. If we check 1.1.1 of question 1, paper 1, you'll come across something of this nature. This is where we have to factorize. Let me write it in this form. I just switch, no change of sign. Let's factorize. You can see if I factorize by taking out the common factor, and we always take the one with the lowest degree. So this is me taking out the common factor. X is the common. So now, since there are 2, so I'm going to say let's split them. X is equivalent to 0, or x minus 4 is also equivalent to 0. That makes us to say x is equals to 4. It ends there. Done. Squaring both sides. So make sure you subscribe, you watch the entire video to learn more, as we are going to accommodate all the syllabus 10 by 10. But however, whatever that you guys request us to do, we'll do it. Thank you for watching.